Question 1. Which statement about the nuclear model of the atom is correct? Question 2. An atom has 17 protons, 18 neutrons, and 17 electrons. Which statement is true? Question 3. Which change occurs during nuclear fission but not during nuclear fusion? Question 4. Which type of radiation has the highest ionizing power but the shortest range in air? Question 5. A radioactive source emits radiation that is deflected slightly by an electric field and travels several meters in air. Which radiation is being emitted? Question 6. Which statement about background radiation is correct? Question 7. A radioactive substance has a half-life of 4 hours. What fraction of the original nuclei remain after 12 hours? Question 8. Which change occurs in a nucleus during beta decay? Question 9. Which use of radiation relies specifically on its high penetrating power? Question 10. Why is gamma radiation considered more dangerous outside the body than alpha radiation?